G'day guys, it's Matt here from Tradie Web Guys and the site shed, and I just wanted to make a really short post just to talk to you guys about the importance of getting legitimate testimonials and case studies for your websites and the stuff you do. Now, this is a really funny and horrendously ironic example of somebody who's really screwed this up because a client of mine, or a colleague of mine, I should say, sent me a link to this website yesterday. He was looking at some websites in Sydney, marketing websites and whatnot, and he sent me this link. And as you can see here, as I scroll down, like above the fold, the landing page looks quite good. And then as we scroll down, we look at we look down here at this testimonial, and the first one there is from Wes Anderson in Borkham Hills. Of course, the photo of Wes Anderson is actually Matt Jones from Tradie Web Guys and the site shed. And I'm not sure if this was a mistake or not, but that's a pretty big screw up because whether they knew it or not, obviously we've got quite a large audience of trade-based businesses right around the world, and this is a massive dick up. So, that's immediately credibility lost, and of course, making content on this now, and it's going to go out to a lot of people. So, this is just one example, which would also make you think that this is complete bullshit, as is probably this one here and this one here. So, guys, it's a good habit to get into when you are creating testimonials and case studies that you do actually make them legitimate. And we've got frameworks for this, guys. So if you head across to our Facebook community and you want to get hold of that framework, I can send it to you for nothing, just to make sure that you're getting it right. And it also raises another point where we want to make sure that you're getting videos for testimonials, because as you can see, you can quite easily bullshit written testimonials, but videos make it very hard for you to make up. So I would go out of your way to try and make sure that stuff does get done correctly, because it does make a difference. And as you can see, it can make you look like quite an idiot when it does backfire on you. So anyway, that's all I wanted to say. Don't go making those same mistakes. And I will see you in the Facebook group.